The ATOS Q is a very fast sensor, and we're capturing up to 12 million data points per scan. The ATOS Q takes advantage of all of the latest GOM technology. This includes the triple scan functionality, which allows us to capture data in even hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, the system uses a fiber optic cable connection, 2 fast cameras, and the latest GOM fringe projection techniques in order to ensure that we have very accurate scan results. The result of the scan is an accurate digital copy of the part. Even these very difficult to reach areas that we can see here are captured easily using the triple scan technology. In terms of resolution, this is what you can get from the ATOS Q using the 500mm field of view. GOM Inspect allows you to create color deviation plots, do section inspections, check your feature locations, and do full GD&T analysis.